From this single view, I'd like to show you TransActPOS on the left, and over on the right of this single view is the EZ-Commerce by EZ-Add website integration that we have. So let's start over on the left. Let's go into IC inventory file. Let's look up 709, 709. That should be a roll-up chain. We have 10 rolls of chain on hand. We have a price of $130, and that's at location A17L. Pretty straightforward. Now let's go over to the website. Let's look up over that same item. And so there is the 130, and we have it A17L in the system. Let's come back around to the Transact side. Let's change that price to 135 through whatever mechanism you may use. And while we're here also, let's go ahead and adjust the quantity. Let's change that to a physical of actually 9 units and select OK. I did this just a little bit in this example, but that's what that prompt is all about. So what we want to see is how much time does it take for that site to update. I simply come back over to the site. Has it updated yet? No, it has not. It's still at 130. One of the processes that I'm looking for is down the bottom left-hand side. There is the Mercury server, which is this little white icon. There'll be a second one that shows up here in a moment. We go specifically update web prices to the websites. So we'll wait a moment here because it is on a timer of about 5 minutes, 3 minutes. We may be in the middle of that cycle, but we'll see that appear, and then momentarily after that, we should see that 135 price appear on the website. So there are the other, there it is. That's the EZ-Commerce prompt. So if we come back over to the website side here in a moment, this should refresh. There it is, the 135. So between the time that we push the data up from the store site, within the moment, it is now refreshed at the site. So whenever a price is changed, it's relatively soon that price is updated. So if we go bring up the next product and we change that price to the $13.99 price through whatever mechanism you and I might be using, and we did a quantity change for that particular item, that we did a physical inventory or a sale, etc. Now that information is processed quite quickly out to the site. So if we go and look at the 709, 719, which is the particular fabric, we'll see that will update here shortly. If we come back around into comparison back to the inventory side, we'll see that value here that we're expecting, the $13.99, will appear here in a moment. We're just simply waiting on the process to run on Transact side to push that data up. And now we have that occurrence. We should be able to go back here. And now we're changed to $13.99 and a number of units at 11. So that gives you a quick example of the integration between TransActPOS and EZ-Commerce. Thank you.